Hey Adam, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and the reason I am reaching out today is because I noticed you have a new ad here on Facebook, which is awesome. I just wanted to give you a few tips that you could apply as well to get more free organic leads. You don't have to resort to paid leads and ads. Um, so here's your website. And it's important to know that nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So it is really important your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture those leads. So let's look here. You have, separate pages for each service. That's great. You want to make sure that every single one of these pages have their own unique content and their own local buyer intent keywords. Okay. Reviews. Frequently asked questions. Not really much information here. Okay. So your website is not ranked based on appearance. It is based on content, and content is key. You need a ton of content. Google wants 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more, you need more. But your content should be focused around your local buyer intent keywords for your services. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you're offering. And your homepage should be like mini summary of each of your services. So you definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy. You're going to need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target, and that applies to all of these pages. And if you're servicing outside of Fraser to any other communities, I would really look at adding service area pages. That will allow you to be found in other cities for your services organically. Those service area pages would be like mini home pages with their own unique content and their own unique keywords specific to that area for your services. All right, let's take a look at your top competitor for water damage in Fraser, and that's PuroClean. Now, this is a franchise, but you don't have to compete against the whole franchise. You're only competing against this one location, and you are actually at an advantage. These guys are super easy to rank because franchisees don't allow, or franchises don't allow the franchisees to modify their website, their pages, add content or keywords. And you guys can. So you guys can add all the content you want and focus on those keywords. So you guys are at a huge advantage. Now these guys have a good amount of content, but you guys are going to need a lot more than what they're doing here. These guys will be super easy to beat, but your website by itself is not going to be enough to be found online. You are going to need SEO or search engine optimization. Right now you have a score of 11 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't terrible, but this score is based 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal, so you need to make sure you're getting the high authority ones that are related to your business and that they're do follows so that they share the power of higher sites and help you to rank. But Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So everything else Google looks at as spam. And if we look here, only 27 of your referring domains are do follows, which means only 27 links are doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for 127 keywords, but you're only seeing about 13 people on average to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of customers by not having your website properly optimized. If we look at your keywords here, you have one keyword on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page. and that's for a national keyword. So this is actually not helping you. Wall washing companies. That is a national keyword with small amount of volume, and national keywords are better for companies that service people nationwide. You need to be focused on the local keywords, because when you rank these national keywords, you get false metrics of traffic, because you get people from all over the country landing on your website and then finding out that you can't help them and leaving. So you want to focus on the traffic that is actually going to convert to customers. But you're going to have to work on those local keywords, because here's another one. These, almost all of these are national keywords. So you really need to focus on the local and then have your backlinks to support them so that they can rank to the first page in Google. If we look here, Puro Clean, we don't care how their domain is performing. We only care about this one location, but they don't have anything going on. So they're actually pulling power from the rest of the website. And because of the title and a few other things, they're actually ranking above you when it comes to water damage in this area. So these guys are going to be super easy to beat. You just need the content and keywords supported by your backlinks, and you'll be able to outrank these guys in no time. And then the last part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3, which you are. That's awesome. You want to make sure that you are for all your keywords and service areas, because 30% of people search right here. And if you're not in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there is several factors, but the most important is your citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area, using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback on it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.